Oh, the poor putty cat had an accident. Oh, the poor putty cat's parachute didn't open. I'm a wee little birdie trapped high in a tree. I wonder if Birdie will ever catch me. I'm hardly a mouthful, I wee can't pee. What Birdie would want with pull it to me. I wee mean it, what Birdie cat would want with me. Oh, that Birdie cat's sure gonna get me this time. I wonder what that putty cat up to now. Now where'd that putty cat go?
Does this answer your question?
Oh, isn't he cute?
He's certainly a rare specimen.
Never saw a Tweety bird.
Hey, this'll add to my collection. Oh, no, you don't! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
Stand up, boy officer! Give him a hit in the head! What an ugly face I drew. I better erase it.
For 50 francs more, I can put a picture of a can of sardines on your chest.
Never mind the sardines, Buster. Just finish my face.
I'm all ready, Tweety. I'll meet you at the ski lift.
Oh, honorable fisherman, imagine seeing most honorable pussycat. Not imagination. That's the honorable pussycat.
Oh, what a beautiful view. A body can see the whole town from here. Yeah, and this little body can see the putty cat from here. Uh-oh, here comes trouble.
answer your question.
Tweety.